Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360, and today we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy M21. Now before we go ahead with the unboxing, be sure to subscribe to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel and click that bell icon so that you're the first to know when we upload new videos. So let's get to unboxing the device. We've got the SIM eject tool over here. Let's see if you get a case in the box as well. Couple of documentation. That's about it. Quickly take the phone out of the box and power the device on. Let's check what else is there in the box. You have a charger and a USB Type-C cable. So this is the Galaxy M21. It's got a big 6.4-inch AMOLED display which has full HD plus resolution. The phone packs in a 6000 mAh battery and it is a little thick, but it isn't very bulky. In the back, it has a triple camera setup. There's a 48 megapixel primary sensor, and 8 megapixel secondary sensor, most likely a wide angle camera, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. And there's also a fingerprint scanner at the back. Let's go ahead and set the device up. And the size of the display is such that you can barely reach the top of the display when you're holding it in the hand. The phone looks like it's primarily made out of plastic, and it is a bit of a fingerprint magnet. I was disappointed when I did not find a case in the box, because this device does pick up fingerprints very easily. It has the standard USB Type-C port now, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a bottom firing loudspeaker. There's a secondary microphone on the top as well. And this is where the SIM tray is. Let's quickly pop that SIM tray open and check what kind of a setup it gets. So it's got 3 slots, so 2 nano SIM slots and a dedicated micro SD card slot. This particular smartphone is powered by the Samsung Exynos 9611 SoC. We've already seen it on the Galaxy M31, and we've got a fair idea of how this particular chipset performs. While the device is setting up, you will be happy to know that you can get this in 2 variants. There is the base variant, which offers 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. It's currently priced at 13,199 rupees on the Samsung store. And the second variant offers 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The device is available in 2 colors, blue and black, and we have the black variant. And this does feel a little plasticky at the back. It most probably is going to be plastic, because it also reflects light a little differently. The display is very good to look at. An AMOLED panel at this price point is a good sign. It's very crisp, it's got very good viewing angles. The fingerprint scanner is decently positioned. It's somewhere where your fingers are naturally going to reach easily when you're holding the device in the hand. Now that the device is set up, let's take a look at the software. You do see a fair amount of apps pre-installed. You've got Netflix, Amazon, Shopping, Prime Video, Hello, Daily Hunt, Snapchat. Now we know that Hello and Daily Hunt, these are capable of generating some really spammy notifications. If you don't intend on using these apps, I would recommend that you uninstall them right away. Now this does have an app drawer, which a lot of people will appreciate. As you can see, this runs One UI 2.0, which is the latest version of One UI out there. It also has Android 10, which again is the latest version of Android. And it has the February security patch, which isn't very recent. Let's just check for the software update as well, if it's available. So right out of the box, it did not have the latest security patch. But yep, it looks like the software is up to date and only get a February security patch. Now with this particular smartphone, what I can say that is that the 6000 mAh battery on this device should be able to offer it more than a day and a half of use easily, with the Samsung Galaxy M30s and even the M31, which have pretty much the same battery capacity those phones did last about 2 days for us, so we are expecting this to deliver similar battery life. And the cameras is something that will be interesting because it does pack in a triple camera setup. Most phones at this price point now also offer quad cameras. Let's see if these cameras are good enough. So we are going to check out that in detail during the full review, so stay tuned. So that was a quick unboxing and our first look at the Galaxy M21. Now what do you think about this smartphone? Let us know in the comment section down below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to gadgets360.com.